Are you experiencing labor challenges? Are you looking into automation to improve efficiency? Or perhaps your business is changing and you need additional production capacity? Veritiv has the perfect solution. We offer kitting, converting, and assembly services as part of our one-stop custom packaging solution. Kitting is a service where Veritiv pre-assembles multiple components to form a single, ready-to-ship finished package. We take a holistic approach and create a custom solution for each need. Therefore, each kit can look different by industry and by type of product. We offer cold chain solutions that span multiple industries, including medical, biomedical, and food, across an array of product types. We collaborate with you to pick the right insulation, so you only pay for what you need. Veritiv is focused on keeping your products safe, secure, and tracked. For the food industry, we offer resources to better manage seasonal peaks in our food-compliant buildings. We can also quickly change branding on visual packs to assist with various promotional events within the year. In the technology industry, our team adapts to the changes throughout a product's lifecycle. We design custom kits, ramp up assembly prior to the surge of a new product, and manage return kits, while simultaneously beginning the next product lifecycle again. For retail, Veritiv offers solutions inside the box and branding outside the box. Our specialists can create a variety of retail packs, multi-packs, gift packs, and display kits, including end-of-aisle and point-of-purchase displays, just to name a few. We also quickly change branding on visual packs to assist with various promotional events throughout the year. Veritiv serves as your trusted advisor and can turn complex into simple. From design to delivery, Veritiv is a Fortune 500 packaging leader, offering comprehensive services to take your packaging solution from ideation to the manufacturing line and into the market. Our kitting team develops customized solutions tailored specifically for you and your products. We utilize more than 100 locations where we process tens of thousands of orders each year to manage your kitting needs in the US and Mexico. Let us take care of your packaging, kitting, and distribution so that you can focus on marketing and selling your products. Let's get started. To find out more about Veritiv's kitting capabilities, please visit www.veritivcorp.com/kitting.